Hello, I'm Claire from Flints and I'm here to introduce to you our brand new and exciting project, Backstage, Flints. This is a difficult time for a lot of us and we wish you all health and happiness and thank you for your ongoing support of Flint's theatrical channelers. So, what is Backstage Flints? Well, it's our way of supporting you during this time period. We've got loads of things planned to help you keep you busy through engaging with making and the theatre industry. We'll be bringing you video tutorials full of fun ideas and projects for you to make at home. That includes things to do with the kids and the family when they're not at school, as well as jobs to do around the house to transform your living space. We've got loads more surprises for you, so keep an eye out and remember to follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter to be the first to see new content. We also really want to hear from you. If you have a product you want to see demonstrated or an idea for a make, then please let us know. Also, if you're using this time to make anything, we want to see it. So please share your images with us. You can get in contact either via social media channels or you can email us at marketing@flints.co.uk. Stay safe and lots of love from Flints.